Hi, I'm Hilary and welcome back to my channel where I help UK small business owners and entrepreneurs achieve personal financial freedom. In my last video, I introduced you to SSAS, a small self-administered pension scheme. Today, I want to dive deeper into how we set up a SSAS and explore the various investment options available. So let's get started. Setting up a SSAS involves several key steps. First, you need to establish the trust. This is done by creating a trust deed, a legal document that outlines the rules and management of the scheme. You and any other members are appointed as trustees, giving you direct control over the pension fund. To ensure smooth management and compliance, you'll also want to appoint a professional trustee and scheme administrator. At Carden's Pension Trustees Limited, we specialise in providing these trustee services for a small number of clients. But if you Google SSAS, you'll find other companies that can help you with this. Once the trust deed and rules are in place, the next step is registering your SSAS with HM Revenue and Customs, HMRC. This is crucial for qualifying for the associated tax benefits. It's currently taking HMRC quite a few months, but once registered, you can start making contributions. You'll need to decide the initial amount of contribution from the employer and plan for regular ongoing contributions. If you or other members have existing pension funds, these can also be transferred into your SSAS, consolidating your retirement savings into one big flexible scheme. So where can you invest your SSAS? Well, like a platform SIPP, you can build a diverse investment portfolio, including funds, equities and bonds. This allows for a balanced approach to managing your pension fund. But one of the more compelling options is investing in commercial property. The SSAS can purchase a commercial property which can then be leased back to your company or to a third party, generating rental income and potential capital growth. Additionally, trustees can borrow up to 50% of the net value of the pension fund to purchase the property, providing more flexibility in your investment strategy. Another unique feature is the ability to make secured loans to the sponsoring company. These loans must be interest-bearing, secured against assets, and for a fixed term of no longer than 5 years. But this can be a useful source of funding for your business under the right conditions. So being a trustee of a SSAS comes with more responsibilities than just setting up a SIPP. But with the right guidance, it offers significant flexibility and tax advantages for small businesses and especially family businesses. So drop a note in the comments if you have any questions at all, and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you next time.